Hello, and welcome to another episode of Selling Life and Annuities. I'm Tim Luby. I'm the National Sales Director of Annuities at Gordon Marketing. And with me today is my good friend and colleague, Paul Bechtold. He's our Regional Vice President of the Debt Elimination Programs. And our topic today is cross-selling life and annuities in 2024. So Paul, let's talk about this. What's new? What do we see that's compelling about cross-selling?
Well, Tim, you and I have had this discussion a number of times. Obviously, the majority of the agents at Gordon Marketing being the senior market, we would love to show them how they could help their clients and also help themselves make a lot more money, and as well help Gordon Marketing benefit from the sale of life insurance and annuities with all their clients. So, the demographics are pretty easy. You know them as well as anybody.
That's interesting. We've talked about this, and if we say, an average Medicare agent might have 500 clients in their book, clients that they have relationships with, and if they were able, from a cross-selling standpoint, to just connect with 2% of those throughout the course of the year, that'd be 10 clients. At an average annuity case of, let's say, $150,000 in premium, that's $1.5 million in annuity premium per year, which at a 7% street comp, which is not uncommon, would be over $100,000 in additional income for them.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, and that's just annuity only. Obviously, there's other life insurance opportunities that could go in there as well. And I think 2% of the clients, 10 cases out of 500, that is a very conservative estimate. Would you agree?
Oh, it's a very conservative estimate. And $150,000 per client is a very conservative estimate. And I guess the big thing that's important about the cross-selling opportunities is those 500 clients need help with life insurance or estate planning or retirement planning or annuities, and they're going to get it from someone. And so it's important that Medicare agent let them know that they can help them with that.
Yeah. And the other thing that the Medicare agent, or any agent for that matter, needs to know is, are they more likely to do business with you when you've shown them things that others haven't, have provided help where they needed it, and gone out of your way? Or are they more likely to give that to somebody else that's willing to do that? I would say as a Medicare agent, just selling the Medicare, you're more likely to hang on to the business and secure that client for the future.
Interesting. Yeah. There's statistics all through financial services about the stickiness of clients and how high it goes up when you have more than one product solution in a household or with a client.
Absolutely.
And so that makes a big difference.
Absolutely. Well, another thing, Tim, to talk about, obviously going into the new year, kind of maybe some agent New Year's resolutions and adding additional lines of business and all that is, we got our annual Life and Annuity Expo coming up soon. And that's going to be a huge talking point, is showing agents how to attach to those markets, the life insurance market and the annuity market, seamlessly, and how they don't have to do all the heavy lifting themselves. So do you want to talk about that a little bit, maybe?
Yeah. Well, interesting, yes, as it relates to Expo and really even the Gordon team right now, that we have several different channels, if you will, and all of us are very well equipped to do the majority of the heavy lifting. So, an agent, whether they be Medicare, life insurance, annuities, whatever, they don't have to be expert in the line of business that they're interested in, because we have experts on our team. All they have to do, they have to be good at scaring up the prospect. If they can help scare them up, flush them out, we'll help them. We'll do most of the work to shoot those clients down, and they get paid on it.
Yeah. And, it really comes down to this. Would you agree, Tim, is there's an old saying, especially in life insurance, that life insurance is sold, not bought. Okay. I think it goes, that extends to the agent themselves. Okay. You're really never going to get comfortable with this unless you force the intentionality and just kind of put your Nike stripe on and just do it. Right. And make a decision that you're going to add these other lines of business. But what I think you're going to find is that how easy it is to do, and from a financial reward standpoint, you're going to see a path to growing your business greatly.
Right. Yeah. Terrific opportunity to do that. We're kind of running out of time here, winding down, but for the benefit of those who are watching, Paul, if they want to work with us more, how do they engage with us? What's the best way for them to reach you, for example?
Well, paul@gordonmarketing.com, my cell phone 317-626-3054. I'm 24/7 guy. Anytime somebody comes to me and says, hey, I've got a client, I want to learn how to do this, show me something about Equity Excel, show me something about how I can get life insurance in front of this person, I'm your guy to come to. Give me a call. I'll make it happen for you. And for you, Tim?
Great, thank you. I can vouch for the fact that Paul is a 24/7 guy. So that's awesome. But you can reach me at timl@gordonmarketing.com, and my direct number is 330-283-6140. So with that, if you would please like and comment and share this if you would, and please hit the subscribe button down below, the notification bell, so that you'll get all of the Selling Life and Annuity videos that we do when they come out. So with that, thanks for your time and attention, and happy selling.